And here comes not the bride, but the leader of the band, the Peacock, strutting through the city wilderness like it owns the place, vibrant and majestic among its feathered crew of duckies. While I only spotted one of these dazzling divas, my daughter swears she saw six of them parading around like they're headlining a fashion show. Can you imagine the spectacle if I catch all six of them with their tails fully fanned out? That would be a nature's masterpiece moment. Who knows what other amazing creature I'll stumble upon next? Stay tuned for more Wild City adventures. God bless you today and always.